Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tutorials Adawi. Subscribe our channel for more videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the error. Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT Partition Style. So this error comes up and are trying to install Windows 10 or Windows 8 on a particular, you'll get this error. And this is very annoying because you're not able to install Windows. This error comes up because the format of the disk is wrong. To solve this problem, you will have to watch this video. And once you're here, you're going to have to press on your keyboard Shift plus F10. And you're going to see that CMD will come up in the installation of Windows here. And CMD you're going to have to type in Diskpart so you'll be able to change the format of the disk. After that, just type in list disks. So you're able to see the disks, and then you may have to select the disk that you have the problem on. In my case, I have only one disk, so I'm going to select it to do that. You're going to have to type in select disk 1. In my cases, disk 1. If you have another disk, just put here the number of your disk, then press enter, and you'll see that disk 1 is now the selected disk. Type in clean. After that, you're going to have to type in convert MBR, press enter, and you'll see that Diskpart. Successfully converted the selected disk to MBR format, and after that, you can just exit out of CMD and go and continue the setup. Now you're going to be able to create a new partition and install Windows on it. So I'm hoping that this video helps you and you manage to fix the problem. Guys, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel with an bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below with problems that you have on your Windows operating system, and we can try to solve your issue in the next video. Until next time, have a nice day.